we're here with Orlando Housewives of Finance. There's an event coming up next Saturday on the 6th. It's a vision board party. Lavita, what's going on with this party?
Oh man, you don't want to miss this. I'm Lavita Logan for Orlando Housewives of Finance. We are having an awesome vision board party on Saturday here in Lake Mary. You don't want to miss this. It's going to be for you to be prosperous, for you to be powerful, and for you to be passionate for 2018.
Awesome, awesome. And I'm sorry, who are you?
I'm Ed Ramos, and I'm here with Dale Carnegie, and I want to help you build a foundation for success by describing your self-confidence, your people skills, improving your communications, your leadership skills, and living with a great new attitude.
Well, that sounds fantastic. And we have one more group here, member here.
My name is Karen Northern, and we're here to make sure that we ensure a prosperous 2018.
Prosperous 2018. So we have a dynamic trio here.
Yes,
There's an event next Saturday on the 6th. The tickets are on Eventbrite. We'll see you there. Wait.
Get your tickets now. It's only $18. Register now.
2018 and $18.
$18.
Awesome,
Okay.
awesome, awesome.